Well, hello, Divi Nation. Welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new, multifaceted influencer layout pack we think you're going to love. This versatile and uniquely designed layout pack will fit the needs of any influencer seeking to impact the world with amazing content. Each page features clean design elements with unique call to actions that can easily be personalized. Plus, there are dedicated layouts to take those blog posts to a whole new level, including 4 post layouts. Here's influencer post number 1. Here's post number 2. Here's post number 3. And post number 4. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Now before we can access any of these free Divi layout packs from our Divi builder, we must first make sure and authenticate our Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. That will give you access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's start by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the Influencer Layout Pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and click on the one that you want and then click to use this layout. Once the layout has loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it or save the draft. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. When you're done, you're ready to create a new menu for your website. To do that, we go over to our WordPress dashboard and then go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see the list of pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to your menu. You can organize them however you like under the menu structure area. Don't forget to set the display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page you created with the corresponding home page layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Influencer Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.